Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to try to back an allergy sneeze from sniffing a rose. It was so tickled me. I'm not gonna sneeze. It's just so very tickly right now. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I'm sorry. Try again. Oh. I don't think I can hold this back much longer.